All right, so this is the Z900 next to the R6, and this is what is going to be eliminated today. So he has a kit from, where did you buy the kit from? Amazon? I mean, I don't have the name of it, what it is, but I'll have a link there if you guys are interested. But this is going to clean up the look of that, and there's going to be indicator light. The turn signals are going to be flush mounted underneath this, so this will look pretty good and nice. So we're gonna head back home and get to work on that. So if you knew this bike, would you buy this one before, or you still buy that? Yeah,
I can't regret my decision.
okay, good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, so he really loved the sports bike, so that's good.
I'm not gonna lie.
Uh-huh.
It just made me want to like biking more.
Oh yeah, so this is something you want to have just go ride for hours.
If I were to choose like two,
Uh-huh.
like I would definitely choose like one of these. and
Right.
Those. But like because I only have one bike.
Right, that happens, beginning I had the same issue, like I can only have one bike.
Yeah.
So I had to choose either the sport bike or the naked bike. But once I had experience with this,
Best of both worlds.
exactly, so you have both. You have the sporty feeling, at the same time very nice cruising too. So but I definitely miss a bike like this, which I'm going to get next year, hopefully, cross my finger. So let's head back home and we're gonna get to work on this. Let's go. Alright guys, so you heard my cousin. He said he do not regret his decision buying this bike. So it doesn't matter if it's the first bike, as a 600, a super sports. When you love a bike, you gotta love it. So good. Alright guys, so I just wanted to come out and give you guys a quick vlog. One thing happened is he did drop the bike once from the kickstand. He thought the kickstand was on, but he wasn't. So, and that actually broke the foot peg. So it's like the piece is broken, but he ordered a new one, so hopefully come soon, then he can replace it. That's the power. You hit 10,000 RPM and this thing wants to like fly. I can't even go like third gear or fourth gear. I don't think I went to fourth gear on this bike yet, because at the low end, you don't have much on this bike, so you want to always like on higher RPM. So you kind of like shifting a lot less on this bike than you would do it on a naked bike. See, like right now I'm on the first gear, going like 30 miles an hour in first gear, and then second you can go with the speed limit, which is 30 on this road anyway. So with beside the riding position, of course, it's a super sports. I remember my CBR wasn't as aggressive as this bike, because you can see those triple tree, those handlebars actually like mounted way down low than my CBR was. So that one was a little bit more upright than in this one. Plus the steering is on it's like high too. But we see the second gear, like you cruising 40 miles an hour, you don't really want to because right now the bike is kind of on a power band. Yeah, there you go. You can feel it. And I believe Yamaha has a OEM quick shifter that you can get for this bike. This bike don't come with one, but you can option in to get a quick shifter. And as far as I know, the bike is ready for a quick shifter. All you have to do is plug in the shift rod with the sensor, and the connection is in here somewhere underneath the seat, and you have a quick shifter. I remember doing it on my MT-09, and it was just plug and play. It was very easy install for a quick shifter, which is good to have. Oh, I love the sound of this bike. I mean, it's inline 4-cylinder just like my Z900, but the exhaust has a nice sound to it, which is good, even if it's a stock exhaust. If I had more time today, we would have gone for a long ride somewhere, some twisties, but we are pressed for time, and he has to go back to New York and later on, so it's going to be dark. So I just want to go back home and get this fender eliminated for him, and there is many more mods to come. As we all know, once you get a bike, you always have some modification. I mean, no matter what, you would spend almost more, I would say minimum $1,000 or so on mods and things like that. He's behind me. Good. Yeah, he wants to change those levers too, like the brake and the clutch levers. I have the shorty ones, and shorty one is much faster and easier to shift with than this, but the clutch feeling is really good on this bike too. Just need to be adjusted a little bit, which I will help him do, because right now it's kind of grabbing on the top end. Good engine braking too, it's not bad. Very smooth, nice. Alright guys, so this will be it for today. I just wanted to come out for a quick ride and make a quick video, so maybe next time when he stops by, we will plan a day ahead of time and probably go out for all day and enjoy some back roads. Alright guys, and thank you so much for tuning in, and as always, like, subscribe, and give me the thumbs up. That would be great, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye bye.